I lost 50 pounds in just 9 months, and I did it while maintaining my muscle and feeling amazing. No starving, no crazy workouts, and no quick fix diets. But here's the thing. I didn't realize that some of the foods I thought were healthy were actually holding me back. Today, I'm gonna be sharing the top foods to avoid if you wanna shed fat, and I'm gonna be sharing what to eat instead. A little backstory on me. When I started my weight loss journey, I was almost 200 pounds. I felt stuck. I was battling cravings, fatigue. I didn't know what to eat, when to eat, the foods to eat. Even nutritionists didn't want to put me on a diet. I ended up going to the store. I was eating Special K cereal, 0-calorie water. I was working out. I was eating what I thought was healthy because it said that on the label. The scale wasn't moving, and I didn't feel healthy in my body. That's when I decided to take things into my hands, and I just fell in love with nutrition. I went back to school to become a holistic nutrition consultant. I am also a certified GAPS practitioner specializing in the gut-brain connection, and I now just completed my certification as an FDM practitioner, so now I could run hormone testing, stool testing for my clients all around the world. Through this journey, I have learned how the foods we eat directly impact our metabolism, hormones, and gut health. And once I made a few key changes with my diet and nutrition, everything clicked. And today I maintain my results eating over 3,000 calories a day, and I've helped over 1,000 women 30 plus transform their bodies, lose 5 to 40 pounds in 90 days using these same principles. Let me show you how you could do the same. Let's dive right into it. My first food is going to be granola and granola bars. These were my all-time favorites. I love the little chewy granola bars, but a lot of the times, even the healthy ones now are loaded with sugar. They have the unhealthy oils in them, refined carbohydrates. And when we're grabbing these bars, a lot of the times they are low in protein and healthy fats. They have that big blood sugar spike, but because we don't have the protein, the fiber, and the fats to help stabilize blood sugar levels, you're left hungry really shortly after with chronic cravings, and then having that spike and drop in insulin puts your body in that fat storage mode. And refined oils like canola oil, which are found in a lot of processed foods, are very inflammatory, making it harder for your body to burn fat and balance out your hormones. So what do you eat instead? You could swap it out for a handful of raw nuts or seeds with berries. What I love doing, this is a good recipe idea, is I love making my own parfait. You can do a Greek yogurt or a coconut yogurt if you can't do dairy. Then you could add all your different berries on it. I love getting frozen berries, melting them a little bit to where they're kind of gooey. Top that with some hemp seeds for omega-3s. You could drizzle in some almond butter. So delicious, satisfies your sweet tooth, and it has protein, carbs, and fats to keep you feeling full. The second is going to be fruit juices and prepackaged smoothies. Even the ones that are 100% natural juices and the green smoothies that you can grab in the store, they can pack as much sugar as soda. And without the fiber from the whole fruit, your body absorbs that sugar very quickly, causing that insulin spike that we just talked about. So if we have high sugar, no fiber, that means we're gonna have energy crashes, cravings, fat storage. And then prepackaged smoothies often lack the protein and the healthy fats that help balance your blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling hungry shortly after. Recipe time. So what to eat instead? You could make your own smoothie. I actually have my all-time favorite breakfast smoothie and my top tips taking you how to create the perfect breakfast to master your metabolism. I'm gonna link it above, but also head to my recipe playlist on my YouTube channel because I think I have 3 smoothies. I have even what I eat in a day and grocery hauls on my channel for you. But when it comes down to it, I know you're grabbing the smoothie and the juices because you need something fast on the go. We're busy, I get it. Here's a hack that I use with my clients. Get a few different Ziploc bags. Put all of your ingredients. You can put your berries, you could add your healthy fats like some avocado in there. Anything you want to put in that smoothie, your spinach. Have them set up for the week. Throw your 7 different smoothies in the freezer. You get up in the morning, you throw it in your blender, you add your scoop of protein, your almond milk or coconut milk, blend out the door. Everything is already ready for you. It is very easy. And then you're getting the carb, fat, protein to actually help achieve weight loss. And we're getting breakfast, which is one of the most important meals of the day. And for all my busy moms out there, I completely understand. I feel like the nutrition is one of the hardest parts because you always have different things going on. And then you're run down, not sleeping good. We got the cravings, we got the fatigue, and you're like, I'm doing cardio. I want to lose weight. One of my clients, Jessica, used to do the same thing, and she relied on a lot of these juices in the morning. She would save her calories towards the end of the day, end up with chronic cravings, stress from after work, and then overeat, and she never could reach her weight loss goals. We worked one-on-one to make a few diet changes to help fit with her lifestyle. We changed up her breakfast to a homemade easy smoothie with 30 grams of protein to really kickstart her metabolism in the morning and keeping her feeling full and satiated so she stopped having that chronic fatigue midday. Once we were able to make the nutrition very simple and she was able to get in the macronutrients throughout the day made easy, her digestion improved, her energy improved. She dropped 5 pounds in her first month. The third is going to be vegetable oils like canola oil, soybean oil, and corn oil. Vegetable oils are hidden in so many foods, especially the ones labeled organic or healthy, and they're highly processed and loaded with omega-6 fats, which are inflammatory. And a little fun fact is when you buy a rotisserie chicken at the store, if it says it's in olive oil, it's probably not true olive oil. I did a whole video on this on my YouTube, why olive oil is fake, how to buy the best ones. I will link it here for you. But a lot of the times when we're eating at restaurants and getting olive oil, same thing happens, or they're cooking more in these vegetable oils. If we're getting a lot of these vegetable oils into our diet, again, from the processed food, from eating out, they're hidden in so many different things. The inflammation disrupts your hormones, making it harder to burn fat and balance our blood sugars. And for my individuals that have more of those autoimmune health conditions, thyroid issues going on, I have some clients that are so sensitive to seed oils, it will trigger chronic stomach pains and even IBS in them. And then they think that the rotisserie chicken is causing the issues because they're having these chronic stomach pains. So they cut out the chicken, but it's really the seed oils that the chicken was cooked in, not the food. So healthy food swaps. You can switch to healthier options like avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil. I even love using grass-fed ghee, tallow, lard. Those animal fats are great to cook with because they have a high heat index. And for a quick, healthy salad dressing, I love taking 2 tablespoons of sesame tahini. You can mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some apple cider vinegar or lemon for that acid, a pinch of salt, and some dill. It is so creamy. It has calcium in it. It is so delicious and has so many healthy fats in it. And you could add that on a salad, and you could even make a tuna salad and have that as your dressing. Delicious and nutritious, the way I like it. And if you're finding these tips helpful and this is really resonating with you and you're ready to take that next step, I want to invite you to join our 90-day whole body transformation. It isn't just about another diet. It's a complete roadmap designed to help busy women 30 plus who are ready to lose fat, build lean muscle, and transform their body with 0 extremes. Our next 90-day whole body transformation is starting January 13th. And you'll learn exactly how to fuel your body, balance your hormones, and heal your gut for sustainable long-term results. No complicated meal prep, no restrictive dieting, just simple, actionable steps that fit into your life. I am looking for 10 busy women who are ready to lose 5 to 20 pounds of fat, build muscle, and all you need is to be able to commit 3 hours a week. If this sounds like you, click the link in the description to apply now, and together we will create a healthier, stronger version of you. My next one is going to be fat-free products because they might seem like a good choice, but they often are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients to make up flavor. And I want to explain something because I was the girl that on my weight loss journey, I'm going to throw it out there. I lost probably the first 20 pounds on a Special K diet. Special K 0-calorie water, Special K cereal, Special K bars. So I've been there. I understand needing something fast and easy. But what happens is sugar spikes your insulin, but artificial additives that are filled in some of these foods disrupt your gut and leave you feeling hungrier. And healthy fats, those are essential for your hormone production and keeping you feeling full as well. So instead of going for those low fat products, this is what we could swap it out for instead. I opt for whole, minimally processed foods with natural fats. Like avocado is a great one. You can throw it on top of anything, any salad. You can do things like coconut yogurt and make a coconut yogurt parfait. Drizzle that with some berries, a little bit of honey or date paste. You can mix in there your protein powder or collagen for added protein. You could even get eggs because the egg yolk is a great source of healthy fats. And I make little egg muffins. You can put all your vegetables in there, have them in the fridge for grab and goes, and then just on the side, make a little stir fry in the morning, pair them with your eggs, avocado on top, simple, fast, and effective. And as you can see, all of these meals, carb, fat, protein to stabilize blood sugar, and they're fast and easy. The fifth one is going to be artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame or even sucralose might be calorie-free, but they confuse your body and they disrupt your gut microbiome. And for all my individuals that are loading up on all the different protein powders and different supplements, check your ingredient list because I often see sucralose found in so many different protein powders, pre-workouts, BCAAs. If you're ever looking for clean supplements, head to the description. I always put all of my favorite links for my different supplements. I got discount codes for you as well. These are brands for even the most sensitive individual that I use with me and my clients that struggle with gut health issues and hormone issues. So coming back to the aspartame, why is this not a good thing? Because when we're consuming foods that have a lot of this in it, they can cause sugar cravings, which can lead to that bloating, gas, or even poor digestion. Now let's talk about healthy sweeteners to swap it out for instead. I often would say switch to stevia, but I want to say this. The white stevia that you see on the shelf is not the true stevia. Now, if you're getting the actual green stevia leaf that is dried, that is stevia. And if you're getting a liquid stevia, always check the ingredients because sometimes they cut them with another sweetener. Other sweeteners that people like to use, you can use monk fruit, small amount of honey, date paste. When it comes down to it, I really stay away from all artificial sweeteners. I don't use stevia. If anything, I love using raw honey, manuka honey, or just natural dates. Another option other than stevia would be monk fruit. I always say watch out for those sugar alcohols like xylitol, erythritol. For a lot of individuals, they cause a lot of gas and bloating, especially when you have them in excess. What I do is I just replaced it with raw honey. I love manuka honey, or I'll just use some dates or even date paste for sweetness. And I just keep it simple. And then I utilize getting my berries. I love kiwi, papaya, pineapple, and mixing those in throughout my day for added sweetness to my smoothies, a little sweet treat after my meal. And I wanted to give you a little bonus one today. It's dried fruit, because the other day I was walking through the store with my dad, and kid you not, every bag of dried fruit that I picked up had concentrated sugar added to it. And on front of the package, they had all of the keywords that would make you think it was healthy. So when it comes down to it, try to go for the fresh fruits and make a smoothie with it. Make a parfait, make a chia pudding or an overnight oat bowl and add the berries to it. That way you're gonna feel full, satiated, and get the sweet treat. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Making these food swaps helped me so much. I hope this video was helpful for you today because when I started making these changes, looking at how the food was fueling my body versus just the calories, I didn't just lose weight. I felt amazing. My body started transforming. No extremes, no starving myself, just sustainable changes that worked with my body and not against it. If you don't know where to get started, check out the description. I have all of my freebies for you. I have a meal prep guide. I have a healthy food swaps guide. I have recipe ebooks in there. And if you're ready to transform your body and your health for good, come join our next 90-day whole body transformation. All of the details are in the description, and I can't wait to help you make this your breakthrough year.